In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change photo size on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off I'm gonna open up Photos app and then just let me show you how we can easily check the size of any image. To do that, just tap at the image, then tap right here at that icon, and down below it will show you the resolution of this image and the file size right over here. Then if you would like to reduce size of this photo, the easiest way to do so is open up your web browser and then search for image resizer. Today I'm gonna use imageresizer.com. Just tap at the first link to head over to that website, then tap at select image, then photo library, and then select photos you would like to resize. Here we can select multiple pictures at once to resize all of them in one click. Once you have selected all the images you would like to resize, tap at add, and then after a couple of seconds tap right here where it says resize. Then you will be able to configure it a bit. So in here we can change width, height in pixels. So if you want to, let's say, resize it to 1000 pixels in height, just enter 1000 here. However, we can just go to as percentage and then we can drag this slider. Let's say I would like to compress it to 50% of original's quality. To continue, we just need to tap at resize. It can take some time, depends on how much photo you have selected, and right over here it is now showing us the original resolution and the file size and the result resolution and file size. Here we can see that we have just compressed the file up to 15 times. And all we have to do now in order to download it to our device is tap right here, then download, then tap at that arrow, downloads, tap at that picture, tap at share, and then tap at save image. After that we can go back to photos. That's where we can find the image we have just downloaded. And we can in that way check the file size of that image. It is 1.3 megabytes. However, the original image is 18 megabytes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.